Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Nicole here from My Pretty Charmed Life. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the Park Collection. This new line just launched today, April 1st at ohmbeads.com. It consists of some cute silver beads as well as some glass beads. There's an awesome new Y clasp, we have some locks, and then there is this right here, Wings of Liberation. I don't have this one to share with you all, but oh my goodness, it is a beauty. Here is the Dragonfly Y clasp. I have it here on just the new chain bracelet, and I love to wear it just like this. I think this is just gorgeous on its own. It's a true statement piece and so beautiful. Now, I already have majority of this collection on a bracelet, so before we get into the bracelet design, I do want to take a look at two of the beads that didn't make it to my design. Oh my goodness, these are so nice on their own, but I was going for a color scheme and they didn't quite go. The dark pinkish one with the like kind of gold flakes in there is called Work Hard, and it might be my favorite out of the entire collection. And then the green one is called Keep Growing. They're so nice. But then here we'll get into the bracelet design. I actually have it on the new skinny bracelet. I absolutely love this bracelet type. Again, I got this in a 17, and so I don't have a clasp on the end. I just kind of hook those ends together. And on one side, you'll see on the bigger side, it didn't fall out. So one side, the charms will not fall out. The other side, they absolutely will. So you'll want to put a little clip on there to make sure that they don't fall out. For those of you that are not familiar with the way the locks work with OHM Beads, they kind of have that little latch that you open, and that is how OHM Beads locks work. There's like a little silicone grip in there to help it stick to the bracelet, and this is one of the new clips. It's either Hivers or Hivity. I forget which one works on this bracelet, but it doesn't budge. It works perfectly there. So here's ultimately the design that I came up with. I used 3 of the glass beads. You can see that these colors really complement each other. And then I use the little characters in here because I think they're so adorable. And we will go ahead and look at each of these one by one. This little cutie is called Panda Snack, and he's just there munching on a bowl of bamboo shoots. He's got his cute little hat on. He's got an OHM logo on his top, and he's just the sweetest little panda. I just love him so much. Up next, we have Speak Softly, one of the new glass beads, and I just think this is so beautiful. I absolutely love the tint of that glass. It's just so pretty. Then this funny little character, he is Hungry Hippo, and oh my goodness, does he look hungry. He's got his apron on, he's got his fork and a knife, and I think he's a cook too because he has his little cook hat. He's got his little tail. I love him, he makes me really happy. If Work Hard is my favorite glass bead, then Delicate Flower, which is this one here, is my second favorite glass bead from this collection. I love this one. I like the colors, and you can see on the core is where that flower is, and I love the way this glass just magnifies it. So gorgeous. Then we have Barista Buddy. Oh, Barista Buddy, you and your cup of coffee and your little chipmunky tail. Oh, what's that? I'm not sure, but he's so cute, enjoying his cup of coffee. You can see his little teeth. Then we have Big Stick here. I think it goes really well with Speak Softly, so I have that on this bracelet as well. Just love when they do, like, I don't know, it's just multi-layered, it seems. And then this cute little penguin. He is called Emperor Penguin, and he totally reminds me of a character on Hamilton because I'm still obsessed with Hamilton, but I think he takes Emperor a little too seriously. So here again is the overall look of this bracelet design. I absolutely love it. I think it is so fun. I just love those little characters. There are 2 clips that are launching that are a little different. So again, one is Hivity and one is Hivers. The only difference is they fit different bracelets. And it also comes in a little stopper too. That is the park collection, again, launching today. Let me know below what is your favorite one. I'm dying to know which critter is your favorite or if it's the glass. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. We'd love to have you. Thank you all so much for watching. See you all next time.